Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mexican-style tuna salad. We'll begin with the foundation: 2 cans of quality tuna, thoroughly drained to prevent a watery salad. Then, we'll introduce vibrant, fresh ingredients such as 1 cup of sweet corn, half a cup of black beans, and a 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. These components are crucial for building the authentic flavor profile and satisfying texture of our delicious dish. To truly capture the essence of Mexican cuisine, we'll infuse our tuna salad with key spices. A teaspoon of ground cumin and half a teaspoon of chili powder will provide a warm, earthy foundation. Freshly chopped cilantro, about 1/4 cup, adds a vibrant, herbaceous lift. Don't forget the juice of 1 whole lime. Its bright, tangy zest is absolutely essential for balancing all the rich flavors and making them pop. Now, let's assemble our delicious salad. First, flake your 2 cans of well-drained tuna into a medium-sized bowl, ensuring no large chunks remain. Next, add all your prepared vegetables and fresh cilantro to the tuna. In a separate small bowl, whisk together your creamy dressing ingredients until perfectly smooth. Finally, pour the dressing over the tuna and vegetable mixture, gently folding until everything is evenly coated and beautifully combined. Your Mexican-style tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it chilled on crispy tostadas, tucked into warm tortillas for quick tacos, or even as a flavorful dip with tortilla chips. For an extra touch, garnish with creamy avocado slices and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. If you love heat, feel free to add an extra pinch of chili powder or a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.